Hi, it's Teacher Denise. I'm going to show you guys another DIY art construction engineering project that you guys could do while we're at home. So this comes from the this book, STEAM Play and Learn, that Teacher Jill gave to me. This activity is also from it, the paper bag blocks that came from this book. This is a great resource if anybody wants to order it from Amazon. I can put the link in the comments below. So from this, I got the idea to do this construction set, tinkering set. And it's made from these toilet paper tubes that we used in our art project from before. I've also got an egg carton, and you need a little bit of colored duct tape and a hole puncher and some plastic straws. So basically what we did is we took each of these little rings and covered them in some duct tape. We happen to have the colored duct tape. It doesn't have to be colored duct tape. You could do it with anything, but the idea is that you're reinforcing the cardboard so it holds a little bit better. So you end up with these little covered rings, and then and the kids did a lot of these, and it was really good for them pulling and tearing and then wrapping. They used a lot of their fine motor to do that. And then we used our hole puncher to punch holes. This was a little bit difficult for the kids to do. It was even difficult for me to do, so a grown-up probably is going to need the strength to poke holes through. I cut apart the egg crate, poked some holes in that as well, and then I just left it out. I invited the kids to make whatever they could. Hannah ended up with something like this. She poked some of the straws into each other to make like a full loop. We had some bendy straws. She used the bends as angles. Some of them stayed straight. You could put out scissors so that they can cut the straws to whatever length they want. You can give them markers to paint anything that's not covered in tape and reinforced. So anyway, that's a great way to use what you already have in the house probably to make an engineering challenge for your kids. That's it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.